Okay, quick question for you. Yes, you, listening right now. How much money is in your wallet? Right now. Don't check. Just guess.
Oh, that's a scary question to start with.
It is. And honestly, I never know. My guess is always wrong.
Same here. I always think I have more than I do.
The painful surprise at the checkout.
Exactly. Welcome, everyone. This is Charles and Alice, your friendly little corner for real English.
I'm Alice, and that warm voice next to me is Charles.
Hello, hello. So good to have you with us today.
And today, we are talking about money. How to talk about it naturally, like real people.
Not the boring bank words, the everyday stuff. Spending, saving, being broke.
And being a little cheap sometimes. We'll explain that one.
Oh, you're calling me out already.
Maybe a little. Stick with us, though. Later, we'll act out a real scene at a store.
It's fun, and you'll learn phrases you can use tomorrow. Promise.
So if you enjoy these chats, hit that subscribe button. It's free, unlike everything else today.
Nice. Okay, let's get into it.
So here's the thing. Money is everywhere in our daily lives, right?
Every single day. We pay, we save, we worry, we treat ourselves.
And we have so many fun ways to talk about it in English.
That's why this topic is useful. You'll use these words constantly.
Let's start simple. Charles, would you say you're good with money?
Honestly, I'm okay. I'm a saver, mostly.
Oh, a saver. So you put money away every month?
Yeah, I save a little every paycheck. It makes me feel safe.
I love that. Listeners, to save up means to slowly collect money for something.
Right, like I'm saving up for a vacation. You put money aside, bit by bit.
And me? I'm a spender, the total opposite.
No, really?
Don't act surprised. You've seen my shopping bags.
True. So when you spend, you use your money on things.
Yes, and sometimes I overspend. I spend too much, more than I should.
Ah, overspend. That little over means too much, right?
Exactly, like overeat. You ate too much. Overspend, you spent too much.
Guilty. Last month I overspent on books I haven't even opened.
We've all been there.
Okay, here's a useful one. Have you ever been broke?
Oh, completely broke. In college, all the time.
Broke means you have no money. Zero. Empty pockets.
Picture this. It's the end of the month. Your account says $5, and rent is coming.
Oh, that feeling. Pure stress.
That's broke. I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. Super common.
And listeners, think about it. When were you last broke? We've all had that moment.
For me, it was a trip to Italy. Worth it, but I came home with empty pockets.
Was it worth being broke, though?
100%. Some things you just can't put a price on.
Oh, nice expression. You can't put a price on it.
Right. It means something is too valuable to measure in money.
Like a sunset with someone you love. You can't put a price on that.
Aw, Charles, that was sweet.
Don't tell anyone. Ruins my image.
Too late. The listeners heard it.
Great. Okay, let's talk about saving smartly. Do you set a budget?
I try. A budget is a plan for your money, right?
Exactly. You decide how much to spend on food, fun, rent.
I make one. Then I break it by Tuesday.
Tuesday. That's fast.
Coffee, lunch out, a little treat. It adds up.
Oh, it adds up. That's a good one. Small things become big.
Yes! $3 here, $5 there. By the weekend, it adds up to a lot.
That's how I justify saving. I hate when it adds up against me.
Okay, quick recap, listeners. Save up, spend, overspend, broke, budget. It adds up.
6 already. and we're just warming up.
Now, Charles, be honest. Are you a little cheap?
I'm not cheap. I'm careful.
That's exactly what a cheap person says.
Okay, listeners. Cheap here describes a person who hates spending money.
Even when they have it. They won't tip, won't share dessert.
Hey now, I tip well.
You do, actually. I'm teasing.
There's a nicer word, though. Thrifty. That's a good kind of careful.
Oh, I like thrifty. It's smart, not stingy.
Right. A thrifty person finds good deals, doesn't waste money. It's a compliment.
And stingy is the mean version. Stingy people are no fun.
Exactly. My uncle is so stingy, he reuses tea bags.
3 times. I know that uncle.
We all have one. Okay, the opposite now. Big spenders.
Ooh, that's me. When I have money, I love to splurge.
Splurge. Tell them what that means.
To splurge is to spend a lot on something special, a treat, a luxury.
Like a fancy dinner you don't really need.
Yes, I splurged on a spa day. It feels a little naughty, but wonderful.
I splurge once a year, on one thing. Then I feel guilty for a month.
That's so you.
Here's another. When money is tight, we say we're on a tight budget.
Oh, that's every day. We can't travel this year. We're on a tight budget.
It means money is limited. You have to be careful with every dollar.
Picture a small box, and your money has to fit inside. That's a tight budget.
Nice image. Okay, ready for something fun?
The role play! Yes!
Let's act out a real scene. You're shopping. I'm the salesperson.
Perfect. Listeners, listen for the money phrases. Here we go.
Hi there. Welcome in. Can I help you find anything today?
Grandmothers always know money. Mine hid cash in books.
In books. Did she ever lose it?
Once. We found $50 in a cookbook 2 years later.
A delicious surprise.
Best recipe in the book. Okay, here's another phrase. To be in debt.
Debt. The heavy word.
Debt is money you owe, money you have to pay back.
And careful, listeners. The B in debt is silent. We say debt.
Good catch. Debt, not debt. English is sneaky.
So sneaky. I'm in debt from my student loans. Very common sentence.
And the happy version, to pay off your debt.
Yes, pay off means to finish paying completely. Done. Free.
I finally paid off my car. That's a celebration moment.
I paid off my student loan last year. I almost cried.
Really? That's huge. Congratulations.
Thank you. Best feeling. Lighter than air.
I bet. Okay, let's lighten the mood. Money slang.
Ooh, fun. People have so many words for money.
Bucks. That's dollars. It costs $20.
Super casual. Everyone says bucks. Friends, shops, everywhere.
And cash is physical money, coins and bills.
There's also dough, like bread dough. He's got serious dough.
Why bread, though? So random.
No idea. English just decided money equals bread. Don't ask.
And when someone's rich, we say they're loaded.
Loaded. That means very wealthy. Tons of money.
Her family is loaded. Picture a truck full of money.
And the opposite. When prices hurt, things cost a fortune.
Oh, yes. That wedding cost a fortune. It means a huge amount.
Or even funnier, it cost an arm and a leg.
That's so dramatic. Like you paid with your body parts.
Right? These concert tickets cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive.
I use that one all the time, especially about plane tickets.
Plane tickets cost 2 arms and 2 legs now.
Honestly, yes. Okay, listeners, you're collecting so many gems today.
Let's do one more before the recap. To make ends meet.
Oh, an important one. A real-life phrase.
It means you earn just enough to cover your needs. Not extra, just enough.
Like your money and your bills barely touch. They just meet.
Exactly. After rent, it's hard to make ends meet.
Many people live like that. It's a kind and useful phrase to know.
Agreed. Money talk isn't always fun, but it's always real.
Okay, that was a lot. Let's do our word tour.
Yes, listeners, this is where it all comes together.
We'll run through our favorites, light and quick. Ready?
First, save up. To collect money slowly for something.
I'm saving up for a new phone, bit by bit.
Then, broke. No money at all. Empty wallet.
Sorry, I'm broke this week. Say it with us. I'm broke.
Sadly relatable. Next, it adds up.
Small costs become big. All those snacks really add up.
Then, splurge. Spend big on a treat.
I splurged on fancy shoes. Naughty, but nice.
Thrifty versus stingy. One is smart, one is mean.
Be thrifty, don't be stingy. Big difference.
Then, that's a bit steep. A polite way to say too pricey.
$40? That's a bit steep. Use it when shopping.
On sale. Lower price. Discount. Music to my ears.
And throw in. Add something free. They threw in a charger.
A rainy day fund. Money saved for hard times.
Keep some for a rainy day. Your grandmother approves.
In debt and pay off. Money you owe, money you clear.
I paid off my loan. Best sentence ever. Remember, silent B.
And the fun ones. Bucks. Loaded. Cost an arm and a leg.
My rich friend is loaded, but my coffee still cost an arm and a leg.
Perfect sentence. You used 3 at once.
And last, make ends meet. Just enough to get by.
That's our tour. Listeners, you've got a full toolbox now.
Try one today. Say it out loud. That's how it sticks.
Okay, now we want to hear from you.
Here's our question. Are you more of a saver or a spender?
Be honest. Do you save up carefully, or do you love to splurge?
And tell us, what was the last thing you splurged on? Worth it or not?
Mine was a coffee machine. Worth every buck.
Of course it was coffee. Mine was concert tickets. Cost an arm and a leg.
Drop your answers in the comments. Use a new word from today if you can.
We read them, truly, and we love hearing your stories.
So don't be shy. Tell us, saver or spender?
And just like that, our time is almost up.
It always goes too fast. Thank you so much for spending it with us.
And that one was free, no charge.
If this helped you, do us a small favor.
Tap that like button and ring the little bell so you never miss us.
It really helps the channel grow, and it costs you nothing.
Next time, we've got another everyday topic you'll definitely relate to.
We're not telling, but trust us, it's a good one.
Until then, keep practicing, keep listening, keep being brave with English.
You're doing great. Honestly, better than you think.
Take care of yourselves and your wallets.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.